Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the world of fitness and wellness. In this video, we're going to share some invaluable advice on maintaining a healthy weight. We've gathered insights from experts in the field, and we can't wait to pass them on to you. So, grab your notepads, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started on this journey to a healthier you. Mindful eating, the foundation of healthy weight management. Have you ever thought about the way you eat? Mindful eating isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool for weight management. Experts recommend slowing down during meals, savoring every bite, and paying attention to your body's hunger cues. By doing so, you'll naturally consume fewer calories and enjoy your food more. Balanced diet, your roadmap to nutritional success. Creating a balanced diet is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Focus on incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your meals. Include lean proteins, whole grains, plenty of fruits and vegetables, and healthy fats. This not only helps with weight management but also boosts your overall well-being. Regular exercise. Energize your body and burn calories. Exercise is a key player in the game of weight maintenance. Whether it's a brisk walk, a fun dance class, or a session at the gym, staying active helps burn calories, improve metabolism, and build lean muscle mass. Experts recommend finding activities you enjoy to make fitness a sustainable part of your routine. Portion control. Size matters in weight management. It's easy to overeat when portions are out of control. Learning to manage portion sizes is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. Use smaller plates, bowls, and utensils to help regulate your intake. And remember, you can always go for seconds if you're still hungry. Hydration. Drink up for weight loss and wellness. Did you know that staying hydrated can aid in weight management? Drinking water can help control your appetite, boost your metabolism, and support overall bodily functions. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day and carry a reusable water bottle with you to stay on track. Quality sleep. Rest your way to a healthy weight. Believe it or not, sleep plays a vital role in weight maintenance. Poor sleep patterns can disrupt hormones related to hunger and appetite, leading to weight gain. Prioritize a consistent sleep schedule and create a comfortable sleep environment to ensure you're getting the rest you need. Stress management. Find balance for a healthy weight. Stress can take a toll on your weight and overall well-being. When stressed, we often turn to unhealthy eating habits. Incorporate stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. These practices can help prevent emotional eating and support your weight management goals. Explore more about stress management with the link in the description. And there you have it. 7 simple yet incredibly effective tips for maintaining a healthy weight. Remember, it's not about quick fixes or extreme diets. It's about creating sustainable habits that work for you. By practicing mindful eating, following a balanced diet, staying active, controlling your portions, staying hydrated, prioritizing sleep, and managing stress, you're well on your way to a healthier and happier you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and come back for more videos.